So if you read the title, you know I got screwed by Temu. I know what you're saying to yourself. Of course you did.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So I picked this up, which ain't what I thought I was picking up. They had the listing as 24-inch Weijing, which we all know that's their version of a Masterpiece Omega, which is what I wanted because I would like to display one in alt mode.
Subscribe.
Yep. And this is what I got though. Legend size one. That's like $55 now. I paid $91. So $91 was a great deal for the Weijing one. That's Masterpiece scale, more or less. However, it's not a good deal for this, so I am sending this back. But I just wanted people to be aware of. I took a hit, so you didn't have to. I don't like misleading ads, and I think it's surely misleading because they put, for one, they had the pictures of Weijing. For two, it says 24-inch in the listing. They do have Pinga in the listing, which I think that's how they're trying to get away with this because that's what it's called. Pinga, I believe, but I don't know if that's like a term. You know, it could be a term in another language that's just a normal term. I'm not sure, but that's the only thing that made me give pause because I was like, why is that in there? It's probably the one. Now there's a bunch of reviews too. There wasn't any reviews when I bought it. So, and the store I think is X. Let me look so I'm not outing anybody that's doesn't need to be outed. Yeah, it's like XZZPOING. That's the store name. I'll show it on the screen. They're probably just a floating store. They probably got like 50 different stores and they just switch around, or they don't care. They probably don't care about complaints or refunds or because there's probably so many people that buy from them that they just deal with the negative views. Even, you know, there's still people that's still gonna buy it regardless, especially if you see a deal. You see a deal that's too good to be true, most of the time it is. I would say that. Now I bought a couple of other things. I bought, and I know it's not right. I bought the Galvatron that they build as Fans Toys 2.0. I know that's not it because I think it was like $17 or $20 or something like that. I already know you're probably gonna get a legend size Galvatron with that. I also bought the Make Toys Utopia for, how much was it? $38.79. So I already know. I'm just curious with that, what is going to show up. Those aren't too bad as far as price. I can still get a video out of them, or I mean, I'm still getting a video out of this, but not the video I want to make. I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to have a quick Temu discussion. I know there's other creators and stuff that's doing like Temu hauls and all of that. If I order Transformers from like those type of places, I usually go with AliExpress. Not saying you can't get good stuff on Temu. I've gotten stuff off Temu before that's good, but you just have to be very, very careful what you order. And if it's, like I said, if it's too good to be true, a lot of times it is. And when I say too good to be true, I mean like if you see a Galvatron that's supposed to be Fans Toys Galvatron, you know Fans Toys Galvatron is $200 and they're selling it for $18, you know it's not, that's not it. That's not what you're getting. All right, so thanks for watching. If you watch this whole video, and I'll get up with you in the next one. Peace.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.